the matrix 2 minus k minus 12 minus 1, 3 minus k is singular. Find the possible values of k. So what do we mean by a singular matrix? So if a matrix is singular, that means its determinant will be equal to 0. So that gives us a good way of actually finding the value of k, because if we can find the determinant of this matrix or find an expression for it and put it equal to 0, that will give me the equation that I need to do to solve for 0. So if we've got matrix A, B, C, D, the determinant is AD minus BC. So applying that here, we've got A, B, D, these two, minus 12 times minus 1. Be careful with minus signs when you do this. Is equal to 0 because the matrix is similar. Expanding this, now I like to do 2 times this bracket minus k times this bracket. Minus 12 times minus 1 gives us plus 12, so but it's still minus 12 is equal to 0. Expanding here, we're going to get 6 minus 2k minus 3k plus k squared minus 12 is equal to 0. So we're going to get k squared minus 5k, and minus 12 plus 6 gives me minus 6 is equal to 0. So this factorizes nicely into k plus 1, k minus 1. We just check that. K squared minus 6 plus k will give minus 5k. 1 times minus 6 will give me minus 6. So that gives me the possible values of k are minus 1 or k is equal to 6. So this has been a video about trying to find the values of a constant which make a matrix singular, and the point is that a singular matrix has a determinant equal to 0. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.